Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, giving your AI a fact checker, how AI can look up information and then use it to generate accurate answers. Imagine a brilliant storyteller who can weave amazing tales, write beautiful poems, and even craft code. That's our generative AI. It's incredibly creative, but here's the catch. Sometimes, in its effort to be creative, it might invent details or make up facts, what we call hallucinations. It's like asking a talented improviser for a precise historical date. They might give you a plausible sounding but incorrect answer because they don't have access to the actual data. This is a big problem when we need AI to be trustworthy and fact-based. How do we ensure accuracy? We look things up. If you need to know a specific detail, you'd open a book, search online, or consult a trusted document. You don't just guess. So, the question is, can we give our AI this same ability? Can it look up specific, verified information before generating an answer? Yes. And that's exactly what Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, helps us do. It's about giving our creative AI a robust research assistant. Let's break down this powerful concept, step by step. 1. Retrieval. This is the looking up part. The AI goes and finds relevant information from a specific knowledge base, like your company documents, a website, or a database. 2. Augmented. This means improved or enhanced. The information found in the retrieval step is used to improve the AI's ability to answer the question. 3. Generation. This is the familiar part. The AI then uses its generative capabilities to create a coherent, helpful, and now accurate answer, informed by the retrieved facts. Think of it like a student who first researches a topic. Retrieval then uses those notes to write a much better, fact-checked essay. Augmented generation. As a developer, this is where you'll do some setup. How does AI look up information effectively? First, we need to process your specific data, e.g., your company's product manuals, internal FAQs. We break these down into smaller chunks. Then, we use something called asterisk embeddings. Imagine each chunk of text is given a unique, meaningful fingerprint or address made of numbers. Texts with similar meanings will have fingerprints that are numerically close together. These numerical fingerprints are stored in a special kind of database called a asterisk vector database. Unlike traditional databases that search by keywords, a vector database can search by meaning. It's like a library where you can ask, "Show me all books about dogs," and it finds books on canine companions, puppies, and pets. Not just those with the word dog. As a developer, you'll feed your knowledge base into this system. Here's the magic moment. When a user asks your AI a question, 1. The user's question is also converted into an embedding, that meaningful fingerprint. 2. Your AI then uses this fingerprint to query the vector database, quickly finding the most relevant chunks of information, the facts, from your knowledge base. 3. Crucially, these retrieved facts are then given to the generative AI model alongside the user's original question. It's like handing the brilliant storyteller a cheat sheet with verified facts before they start telling their tale. The AI now has specific, relevant context to generate an answer that is not only creative but also grounded in the facts you've provided, significantly reducing hallucinations. For developers, RAG is incredibly powerful. Reliability. Asterisk. You can build AI applications that provide accurate, verifiable information, making them much more trustworthy for users and businesses. Specific knowledge. Asterisk. Your AI isn't limited to general internet knowledge. It can master your company's specific product details, internal policies, or private documents. Always up to date, asterisk instead of retraining an entire expensive AI model when facts change. You simply update your knowledge base in the vector database. The RAG system automatically uses the new information. Transparency, asterisk in many RAG implementations. You can even show users which source documents the AI used to generate its answer. Further building trust. This means you can create powerful, customized AI solutions for specific domains without needing to train a large language model from scratch. RAG is already transforming how we use AI. Smart customer support chatbots, asterisk answering specific product questions using your up-to-date manuals and FAQs. Without making things up, internal knowledge assistance. Asterisk employees can quickly find answers from vast internal company documents, HR policies, technical specs, project reports, without sifting through files. Personalized learning platforms, asterisk answering student questions based on specific course materials, textbooks, or lectures, legal or medical research tools, asterisk summarizing complex documents and citing relevant passages, providing accurate, referenced information. As a developer, these are the kinds of robust, fact-grounded AI applications you can now bring to life. Ready to build? Here's what you might explore. Orchestration frameworks. Asterisk tools like asterisk LangChain asterisk or asterisk Llama Index asterisk help you piece together the different components of a RAG system, connecting your data, embedding models, and LLMs. Vector databases. Asterisk experiment with databases designed for embeddings, such as asterisk Pinecone, Weaviate, Chroma, or asterisk Qdrant. Many offer developer-friendly APIs. Embedding models. Asterisk learn about models that convert text into those meaningful fingerprints, like those from OpenAI or various open-source options on Hugging Face. Many of these tools are accessible via easy-to-use APIs, making it simpler than ever for a beginner developer to start experimenting and building their own RAG-powered applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.